Hey everyone, my name is Mered Angel. I'm the AGM here at Big Valley Auto Auction. If you're a new dealer and considering registering with Big Valley, you may wonder what would happen next. Is my inbox going to get bombarded with emails and all these kind of spam things? Of course not. In this video, we will be explaining how to register and what to expect after you've registered. Stay tuned. There are 3 quick things you need to do to speed up the process. 1, go to our website at bigvalleyaa.com and select the Register Now tab. 2, from there, it will take you to our registration page where you're going to fill out your basic info such as your first name, last name, a good contact number, and your email address. And 3, you're almost done at this point. After submission within 24 to 48 hours, you will get a call from our new dealer registration person, which is Pete Science, or one of our sales team members, which is myself, Omar Cardoza, or Elias Correa. Once you do that, we're gonna walk you through if there's any documentation that needs to be submitted, such as your dealer license or your bond. Once you've done those 3 things, you're ready to go. Here at Big Valley, we're driving excellence, helping you succeed one car at a time. Because when you're here, you're family. We'll see you.